Today, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing WAMP in WordPress, so you can create your own local web development environment. Let's get started. First, let's download WAMP. It's an all-in-one package that provides a platform for running web applications on a Windows computer. Open your web browser and follow the steps as shown in this video. Once on the website, navigate to the download section. You'll find two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit. Choose the version that matches your Windows operating system. In this tutorial, we'll be using the 64-bit version. Click on the download link to start the download. Locate the WAMP installer file you just downloaded. Double-click on it to run the installation. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. On the welcome screen, click Next to continue. You'll be presented with the license agreement. Read it carefully and click on the checkbox to accept the terms. Then, click Next. The setup wizard will prompt you to choose an installation location for WAMP. By default, it will be installed in the C:\WAMP64 directory. You can change the location if you prefer. Click Next to proceed. In the next step, you'll be asked to select additional components. Leave the defaults selected and click Next. The wizard will ask you to create shortcuts. You can choose whether to create them for all users or just the current user. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now, the wizard will show you the Start menu folder. You can keep the default name or change it as desired. Click Next to continue. In the final step, review your selections and click Install to begin the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes. Once it's complete, you'll see a message indicating that the installation was successful. Make sure the Launch WAMP Server 3 Now checkbox is selected and click Finish. WAMP is now installed on your computer. Now open localhost in your browser. Your all projects will be shown here. Go to phpMyAdmin, enter the username as root, leave the password blank and click Login. Now here you have to create a database. For that, click on the Database tab, choose a database name, and click on Create. Your database is now created. Let's move on to installing WordPress. First, go to your WAMP folder, www directory, and create a new folder. Write a name for your folder. Now, open your browser and search for WordPress. Choose the official website, which is www.wordpress.org. On the WordPress website, click on the Get WordPress button in the top right corner or download WordPress. Locate the WordPress installation file you downloaded. It will be a compressed zip file. Extract the contents of the zip file. Now, move the entire WordPress folder to the www directory within the WAMP installation directory. Make sure to copy the WordPress files in WAMP www directory and inside the folder you just created. We're almost done. Open your web browser and type localhost/WordPress in the address bar. This will start the WordPress installation process. Select your preferred language and click Continue. Enter the database name which you created in the database section. Enter the username as root. Leave others by default and click Submit. On the next page, enter the site title, username, password, and email address for your WordPress site. Click Install WordPress to proceed. Log into your WordPress website by entering your username and password. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WAMP and WordPress on your computer. You can now start building and customizing your own local website. That wraps up our tutorial on downloading and installing WAMP and WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!